Hello guys, welcome to City Money. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw your USDT using Bitgate into your local currency, into your bank account using Bitgate. So that's what I'll be showing you in this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't make any mistake. So once you open your Bitgate account, this is how the interface is going to look like. So on the home page, this is how it's going to look like. Then what you should do is, you see this more section here, just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will open up. It will open up and bring all these other sections for you. So just click on this P2P section here. Then this will open up. Because you want to withdraw your money into your local currency, you're going to be on sell. So you switch it from buy to sell. So you go ahead and look for all the merchants here, all the sellers that have good ratings. For example, you see this person here. This person have done 141 orders in the last 30 days and he has just 62% rating. So you shouldn't be trading with such person. Then just go down and see the ones that have good rating and online. You can see the green tick shows this person is online. You can see this person have done 922 orders in less than 30 days and has 99%. You can see 91% of people like the way this guy does his trade. But if you don't want to use that, you can as well. You see this Express up here, just tap on it. Once you tap on Express here, Bitgate is going to bring a seller to you, someone that you sell to directly. So you have to switch it from this. Once you click on Express, switch it from buy to sell. Once you do that, then select the amount. Here you can see the minimum is $3.3 and the amount you will receive in naira, the minimum is 5,000. But in case your asset is not on your OTC account, you see here that is showing transfer. Just click on it. Then transfer your USDT from your spot account to your OTC account. There's another way you can do this even without following this place. So if you want to do that before coming here, just go to the home page, then click on this asset here, then click on this transfer. Then just this place that is showing USDT M futures, just tap on it. Select OTC account. Then here that is showing BTC, select USDT. Then here click on mass all. Then click on confirm. You will transfer it successfully. Then now go back to the more section. Go back to more section. Then click on P2P. Then select the Express. If you don't have time to start going through all these people, the Express will bring people that Bitgate already believed to be consistent, trustworthy, and reliable. They will bring the people for you to trade with. So I'll just switch from buy to sell. Then here, if you look, my money is already available on available balance. So because of the fee, so let me just do $9.5 here. Let me do $9.5, 9.5 cents because of the fee. So let me click on sell, then select the bank, then click on confirm. So now it's going to go. The reason why I didn't go before is because of the fee. So you have to leave allow the fee to be you have to leave some USDT for selling fee, which they said was 0.1 cent. So guys, here now you're going to click here to chat with the person that is going to buy your USDT. You can maybe tell the person, please, fast payment. So you have to, before you confirm the payment, make sure that the person have made the payment to you and you have received it in your bank account before confirming it. So guys, if you want to learn how to buy USDT in other exchanges, make use of the comment section, comment the exchange. And again, if you want to learn how to buy with Bitget, also comment on the comment section the exchange you want to use. So now I'm just waiting for this seller to make payment to me. Once this seller makes payment, I will confirm that I've received the payment. Once I check my payment, then after that, that's all, guys. You will receive your money in your local currency. Then again, this is for people in Nigeria. So if you are not in Nigeria, you see this section that is showing naira here. Just tap on it, then select your own country, guys. Select your own country. So you can select any of the country that you come from, the currency you guys are using. So that's for people outside Nigeria. Then even though this page closed, you don't have to worry. Once you come to P2P, come to this section, then you see this box here. That's your order. Any order you've made will be there. You can see this one is currently pending. So guys, I think I should close this video and make a separate video on how to add your bank account, because this video is already getting long and I don't want it to be longer than this. So turn on your notifications so that you'll be the first to get the video once you don't know how to add your bank detail, guys. So you can see here this is pending. If you just tap on it, it will take you to the other page, and once the person makes payment, you can confirm it here that the seller, the person that you are selling to, has made payment. So guys, now the seller has made payment. I've confirmed the payment, so I'll just go ahead and click on release. Then here I will select I have confirmed payment receipt. So then I will just click on confirm. But guys, make sure you confirm that you've received the money before going ahead to confirm. Then I'll click on confirm. Then here is going to ask me for my passkey. So this passkey, you'll be the one to set it from beginning. If not, you either get a code from your Gmail or through your Google Authenticator. So put in my fingerprint. Then confirm. So that's all you need to do, guys. So once you do that, you can see it's showing completed. So guys, this is how to sell your USDT and get your local currency using Bitget. So you can use other exchanges. Just comment on the comment section the exchange you have USDT in and you want to convert it to your local currency. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.